Iran's much-anticipated attack on Israel came. This was not a small-scale raid, but a large and complex onslaught consisting of drones as well as ballistic and cruise missiles. But Israel has been able to defend itself. IDF reported that all 170 drones were intercepted, all 30 cruise missiles were taken down, and only 7 out of 120 ballistic missiles went through. This is an incredible achievement since it constitutes a 99% interception rate, with more than 300 targets taken down in a single day. While social media is flooded with praise for Iron Dome, it's just one part of Israel's larger air defense setup. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how Israel managed to thwart Iran's large-scale attack. Let's get started. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted VPN brands worldwide that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte, an industry-leading Big Four auditing firm. NordVPN provides an encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy by preventing external entry to your internet traffic, as well as enabling you to access content that's blocked based on geolocation. Best of all, with one NordVPN account, you can secure up to 6 devices at the same time. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive savings by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. Israel has a multi-layered integrated air defense and is managed by Israel's Missile Defense Organization, IMDO. IMDO is a division within the Directorate of Defense Research and Development, DDR&D, at Israel's Ministry of Defense. Several of IMDO's initiatives involve close collaboration with the United States Missile Defense Agency, MDA, and receive shared funding. The 3-layered integrated air defenses have the following assets. 1. The Arrow is at the top. 2. David's Sling and American-made Patriot in the middle. 3. Iron Dome, which is a CRAM or counter-rocket artillery and mortar, forms the lower layer. The platforms work together to form a potent defensive shield. Now let's check the capability of each one by one. Arrow, or HATS, is a family of anti-ballistic missiles designed to fulfill an Israeli requirement for a missile defense system that would be more effective against ballistic missiles. The Arrow system consists of hypersonic Arrow anti-missile interceptors, Arrow 2 and Arrow 3, the Green Pine early warning radars, Citron Tree C3I Center, and the Israel Aerospace Industries Brown Hazelnut Launch Control Center. The Arrow 2 uses fragmentation warheads to destroy incoming ballistic missiles in their terminal phase. It has a range of 55 miles or 90 kilometers and a maximum altitude of 32 miles or 51 kilometers. Arrow 3 is the most advanced system of the Arrow family and is designed to take out ballistic missiles, including intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBM. It has a patented exo-atmospheric interception method, including a 2-stage interceptor. Unlike Arrow 2, it uses a hit-to-kill technology in which the interceptor carries a kinetic kill vehicle that rams into the target, destroying it in the air. Arrow 3 is equipped with a gimbaled seeker and has a thrust vectoring nozzle. As per reports, the interceptor is capable of reaching an altitude of 100 kilometers or 62 miles. The missile is thought to have a range of up to 2,400 kilometers or 1,500 miles, but the exact details are classified. The Alta ELM 2080 Green Pine radar is an active electronically scanned array AESA radar. The iteration of the radar is reported to have a range of 500 kilometers or 310 miles and is capable of both target detection and continuous tracking. Arrow is also thought to be connected to the American ANTPY-2 missile defense radar operated in Israel by the U.S. military. Though not certain, space-based infrared system SBIRS early warning satellites also feed the system with real-time information. David's Sling, also formerly known as Magic Wand, is an Israeli Defense Forces military system jointly developed by the Israeli defense contractor Rafael Advanced Defense Systems and the American defense contractor Raytheon. It's designed to intercept enemy planes, drones, tactical ballistic missiles, medium to long-range rockets, and cruise missiles. The missile's development was overseen by the Israel Missile Defense Organization and the U.S. Defense Department's Missile Defense Agency. The David's Sling Weapon System, DSWS, incorporates a vertical missile firing unit, an ELM-2084 fire control radar, a battle management and operator station, and the Stunner Interceptor. The dolphin-nosed Stunner missile uses the hit-to-kill method and destroys the target by slamming onto it. Since it has no explosive, it is smaller, lighter, faster, and possesses greater range and higher maneuverability. Its range is said to be up to 200 miles or 320 kilometers. Stunner uses onboard dual CCD IR seekers to distinguish between decoys and the actual warhead of the enemy missile, in addition to tracking by ELTA ELM-2084 radar. ELTA ELM-2084 is a 3D AESA multi-mission radar, MMR, produced by ELTA. In surveillance mode, it can track up to 1,100 targets at a range of 295 miles or 475 kilometers, and can electronically scan a 120-degree azimuth and 50-degree elevation. In its fire control mode, it can track up to 200 targets a minute at ranges of 100 kilometers or 62 miles. The firing unit is a trailer-mounted vertical launch system for the Stunner missile. Each firing unit can hold up to 12 missiles. All firing units and parts of the Stunner Interceptor are manufactured in the United States. The American Patriot air defense system is an all-weather, tactical, mobile air defense system. The system has the ability to engage against cruise and ballistic missiles, drones, as well as different types of aircraft. Each Patriot battery consists of a truck-mounted launching system with 8 launchers that can hold up to 4 missile interceptors each, a ground radar, control station, and a generator. The Israeli Air Defense Command operates MIM-104D Patriot, HAC-2 GEM Plus batteries with Israeli upgrades. The Israel Defense Forces designation for the Patriot weapon system is Yahalom. GEM Plus is an acronym for the Guidance Enhanced Missiles. For aerial targets like aircraft and drones, the Patriot variant has an engagement range of 160 kilometers or 100 miles, whereas for ballistic missiles, it has a range of about 30 kilometers or 18.5 miles. An MPQ-5365 radar in the system is a passive, electronically scanned array radar equipped with IFF and Electronic Countermeasure, ECCM. The sensor has a range of around 160 kilometers or 100 miles. The Iron Dome weapon system is the lowest layer of Israel's multi-layered air and missile defense umbrella. Iron Dome was originally designed to counter a group of threats, typically referred to as rockets, artillery, and mortars, RAM. But it also possesses capabilities to intercept drones and cruise missiles. It's a mobile, all-weather air defense system developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems and Israel Aerospace Industries. Iron Dome consists of mainly 3 components: radar, battle management component, and missile launcher. The system uses ELM-2084 radar to detect incoming projectiles. The radar tracks the projectile and sends information to the battle management component. The battle management component examines where the incoming projectiles will hit and if the area of impact is estimated to fall in its purview, it commands the missile launcher to fire interceptors to neutralize the target in midair. Iron Dome's Tamir interceptor missiles can strike down incoming threats launched from a range of 2.5 miles or 4 kilometers to 44 miles or 70 kilometers. Tamir missile is equipped with electro-optical sensors and steering fins with proximity-fused blast warheads. Each Iron Dome battery includes 3 to 4 stationary launchers with 20 Tamir missiles and a battlefield radar. A single battery can defend up to nearly 60 square miles, or 155 square kilometers.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.